If you're stuck in an apartment or an RV with zero room for full-sized appliance, you already know the daily misery of hand-washing every single cup and plate, especially when you don't have a permanent plumbing hookup to spare. This comfy, portable mini dishwasher is designed to give you back your evenings without requiring a call to a plumber. The main problem it solves is portability and setup simplicity. With a built-in 1.32-gallon water tank, you just fill it up manually, plug it into a standard outlet, and run it anywhere you have counter space. It features 6 specialized washing programs, a 360-degree dual spray arm to hit every angle, and a high-temp cycle combined with an air-dry function that ensures your dishes come out completely clean and sanitized rather than dripping wet. What I genuinely like is how intuitive it is. You don't have to fiddle with faucet adapters if you don't want to, and the compact footprint easily tucks under most upper cabinets. However, you do need to keep in mind that this is a true mini dishwasher meant for daily essentials like mugs, bowls, and small plates, meaning oversized pots or massive dinner parties will still need the kitchen sink. So, who is this really for? It's an absolute lifesaver for single renters, students, or RV travelers who want clean dishes without a permanent installation. If you have a large family, this capacity will simply be too small for your daily routine. Is it worth the money? If you value your time and want a hassle-free, plug-and-play way to ditch the dish sponge, it's a brilliant, budget-friendly investment. If this looks like the right fit for your home, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who hates doing dishes, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.